Newswire releases. Newswire releases are all about search engine optimization, SEO. In our previous section, we examined keywords, or better still, key phrases, and they've two roles to play. First of all, a role to play in Google searches. Secondly, a role to play promoting your website. We learned how to use Google's keyword planner to select the best key phrases. But how on earth do we use them within our press release? The key things you need to be aware of are: 1. Include your most important key phrase within your headline, but it must make sense to humans. Remember, they're the ultimate audience. 2. Avoid what's known as keyword stuffing, overdoing the use of keywords to a point where the text reads unnaturally. Personally, I would stick to just a couple of search phrases. It needs to look natural. 3. Anchor text is where you use a key phrase that's also a hyperlink to the one on your web page, like this. I strongly recommend that you use no more than one anchor text in your release. And the web page it links to should have the same anchor phrase in its title, and it should be used a couple more times within the rest of the page. Newswire companies will each have their own slight variations to the layout that I've described. PR Newswire have got an excellent guide to writing releases when using their services, and in your handout I've given you a link. I also give you a link to a website that analyses all the week's best press releases, complete with a critique. Check them out. It's the best way to learn. Okay, everything we've just covered is repeated in your hard copy notes that follow this session. I've also included a tick list to make sure nothing slips between the cracks when you're doing your next press release. Good luck.